I never expected my first YouTube check would be that high. Hey guys, it's your girl Kiki and I'm back with another video. Today's video is really exciting and super surreal for me to even make. But today I'm going to be basically telling you guys about my first YouTube check. I'm going to tell y'all how much I made because I feel like everybody always wants to know. Everybody's always nosy. Okay, you want to know what's in my bank account. Okay, so I'm going to let y'all know the tea. I'm not going to lie, I was a little skeptical to make this video because I don't know, like I don't want anybody to feel some type of way, you know what I mean? Like I don't want anybody to be like, she thinks she popping, okay, she got a little YouTube check, okay, she thinks she's somebody, you know? Like I don't want this at all. Like I want disclaimer, like I'm so thankful, grateful, and blessed to even be sitting here making this video right now. First off, shout out Ad Squad. Shout out to all the people who watch all my ads in full. They click on the ads, they be here for me, okay? I love y'all, I appreciate y'all. Y'all are day ones, okay? You know, hashtag Ad Squad in the comments, go ahead, okay? I really want to make this video not for me, but for anyone that has a YouTube channel or is interested in a YouTube channel, so you can kind of see what it looks like. Also, quick shout out to Bliss Branding. Bliss Branding created my intro, my outro, my banner, and if you need any graphic arts work, whether you need a new intro, outro, banner, definitely hit them up. They have prices for the low. It definitely helps your channel look more professional, and it will definitely help your channel grow. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Turn on that bell and we can get right into the video because I know y'all are itching to know. But you know I gotta be one of those YouTubers. I can't just tell y'all. I can't just tell y'all in the video over. This is YouTube, okay? We have to have the suspense. You know there's gonna be an ad before I actually say the amount. If someone dares put in the comments, oh, she says it at this time, your comment will be deleted, okay? Because I need my watch time. So, my first YouTube check. I'm not gonna front at all. Honestly, the things that inspired me to do YouTube was the money. Like, what? I see these amazing lives that these YouTubers live, and I'm like, I want to live an amazing life. I want to live like this. I mean, money was definitely a driving force in me starting a YouTube channel. Now, obviously, like, I love YouTube and I actually like really enjoy content, and when I like produce a video and I freaking love it, like it's the best feeling ever. But definitely like my consistency and, you know, really ensuring that I'm putting out content comes from me wanting to be a full-time YouTuber and want that as a career. And I think it's also just when I look at life, you have to have multiple streams of income. So while I have a regular 9-to-5 job and I have income from that, I can't depend on that alone. Especially when you're in a city like LA or New York, which is ultimately where I want to live. Like, you have to hustle. Like, my Uber driver, he said he's an engineer and he makes a ton of money, but he's like, it's LA. He's like, you have to hustle. Like, yeah, I can pay my bills, but I don't have money to do anything else, so I Uber. That's kind of where I am with it. Mask Off by Future Chase a Check. That's literally been my motivation for 2019. You know, at the end of the day, y'all, like, I just want to buy my mama a house, okay? Like, come on. Like, that's all I want in life. I'm not going to front. I'm being 100% honest with you guys. I'm not going to be one of those people where I'm like, oh, it's not about the money. Like, F the money. And I mean, ultimately, like, yeah, it's not all about the money. Like, I've never been one of those people thirsty for a check, and I've never been one of those people that all I do is look at my ad revenue, but it's just something that intrigued me, that I could make money off YouTube. Basically, to get paid on YouTube, you have to be monetized. And being monetized basically means that YouTube will put ads on your video. That's the main way people make money. The second way you can make money if you're monetized is through super chat. So if you do a live stream and someone wants their comment to show at the top, they can pay for a super chat. Or if people have YouTube Red, YouTubers get a certain percentage of the amount of views and watch time they get on their videos through YouTube Red users. In order to get monetized, you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 hours of watch time. So if you're a YouTuber and you don't have those, like I mentioned, I have both of those videos, link them here. You have to get both of those things. And once you hit those things, your channel goes under review. They just make sure you're like advertiser friendly, they approve you, and then you start getting ads on your videos. As soon as you get approved, you get ads on your videos immediately. You start making money immediately. Okay, so you get paid through Google AdSense. My experience with Google AdSense has not been the best. Obviously, I got my check, so it's not the worst. But Google, like, somebody from Google needs to fix it. Like, Google makes too much money. AdSense is making too much money for their process to be this confusing. As soon as you get monetized, YouTube starts putting ads on your videos. But you have to reach a threshold of $10 for Google AdSense to send you your verification pin, which looks like this. You know, this is the check. You be like, oh, my check. You have to reach a threshold of $10 for them to send this envelope. And this is to verify your address, to verify you actually live where you say you live for like tax purposes. So once you do that, Google's like, okay, like now if you want to get paid, we need a bank account. Like, what's good? Give me your bank account information. And it's basically like, we're gonna put money in your account between 1 penny and $1. Then once I did all that mess, it finally said my account was ready to start accepting payments. So you can't get paid unless you have at least you meet the $100 threshold. So if you don't make at least $100 that month, you're not getting paid. They're not cutting you a check, baby boy, baby girl. You have to have at least $100 in your account. But essentially you get paid once a month from Google, aka YouTube, and you basically get paid on the 20th or 21st of every month, depending on what date it falls on. Like if it falls on a Sunday, then you're not gonna get paid like on a Sunday. It was a Friday, the first day I got paid, and it was cool because I got paid from my job that day, so I got paid twice. Yo, I really felt like I had money. I was like, oh, I'm not check, okay? I got my job check and I got my YouTube check. I was like, oh, I have some money. I'm balling. That's how I felt. Like, I've never experienced that, where I got paid twice on the same day. I want you guys to keep in mind, your YouTube check is 100% based on views. It's based on the number of views you get, and it's based on the watch time. So if I have a longer video that is 45 minutes to an hour and people are watching that whole video, I'm gonna get paid way more for that video than a 6-minute video. 2 of my videos really took off and really got a substantial amount of views, and it was almost like a blessing. Like, they got those views right when I got monetized. Like, when I first posted, they didn't get that many views, and then right when I got monetized, they started picking up traction. When I tell you guys this number, keep that in mind. Like, I don't know if this amount is necessarily normal for like someone that has the amount of subscribers I do, but this is just based on 2 of my videos getting a substantial amount of views and the videos being long. Like, one of my videos got like 40,000 views. That's 45 minutes, and people, like, the watch time for that is like 30 minutes. So I'm gonna like cover most of my information because I don't want to like have my private information. But my first YouTube check was $703.98. So y'all, when I seen this, I screamed. I said $700. Y'all, like $700. Like, I got money at this time. Do I look like I got money? Here's how I feel about this. $700 is a lot of money. Like, I never expected my first YouTube check would be that high. I thought I would be making money like eventually, but I never really thought that would be my first check. To me, $700 is like basically like a part-time job. Like, when I worked at JCPenney part-time, my checks were like $3 something every paycheck, and I got paid every 2 weeks. So it's basically the same thing. So for this to be like a part-time job, like extra income, it seems like it's really worth it to me. Obviously, you only get paid monthly, but $700 is like a substantial amount of money. Like, can I live off $700 per month? No. Can I pay bills? Could I pay a car note? Could I pay car insurance? Can I pay different type of bills? Absolutely. Can I stack my savings? Can I, you know, splurge on some things that I might normally be able to like not afford? Absolutely. Like, if I lost my job tomorrow, would it still be money coming into my account? Absolutely. So I was really happy about that. I'm really thankful, grateful, and blessed. And honestly, I feel like it's only up from here. I feel like I'm getting closer and closer to my dream and my goal of being a full-time YouTuber and making money off YouTube. So everybody that knows me knows how much time and effort I put into my channel, y'all. I literally have no life. YouTube is my life. So to have a reward in a financial aspect is really nice, because I spent so much money on cameras, equipment, money for videos. Like every video, like 99% of the videos I make cost me some type of money, whether it's a haul and I'm buying the clothes, or it's like a challenge and I'm buying stuff for the challenge. So like I've definitely put that money into my channel and probably more, but it feels good to be able to start earning it back. Yeah, that's my first YouTube check. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Try not to put the exact amount in the comments, because I want people to watch the video, have the suspense, but comment on. Don't say what the amount is, but comment on it, okay? Be like, ooh girl, you got money, or be like, ooh girl, that's nothing, okay, that's broke. But yeah, so if you are interested in creating a YouTube channel and you're interested in getting your first check, definitely check out my YouTube series. My next video is going to be how to start a YouTube channel. I've been excited and ready to share the news with you guys on my first YouTube check. I can't wait to get more. I hope my channel continues to grow. And I know that this is just the beginning. I'm ready to add like 2 zeros on that. Can I get a 70K check, okay? Let's manifest that 70K check by the end of the year, and then we're really talking. If you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe. It's only up from here. Leave me a comment below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care.